Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to mute a chat's notifications on WhatsApp for 8 hours. This feature is perfect for when you need a break from constant pings without missing out on important updates later. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat you want to mute. It could be an individual conversation or a group chat. This process works for both. Once you're in the chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select Mute Notifications. This will open up a new window where you can choose how long you'd like to mute the chat. Here, you'll see 3 options: 8 hours, 1 week, or always. For this tutorial, select 8 hours. This is ideal if you need some quiet time during work or while sleeping but want notifications to resume automatically afterward. Finally, tap OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. The chat is now muted for 8 hours. During this time, you won't receive sound alerts or vibration notifications for messages from this chat. However, the messages will still appear in your app for you to check at your convenience. Muting notifications can be a real lifesaver when you need some uninterrupted time. If at any point you want to unmute the chat, simply follow these steps again and choose the option to unmute. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you manage your WhatsApp notifications more effectively. Don't forget to share this tip with others who might find it useful.